season, so this is what happens in the rainy season. It rains. Probably got 2 hours of sun, so you know, whatever. Rain, rain, rain. And the kids are out on the floaty. It's kind of fun. They're having fun. My wife driving through, now she was, this is the least of what she's driven through.
Well,
about 10 minutes ago was literally losing her shit about driving over.
You had me drive through a river.
Yeah, it was a tiny river.
It was still a river. I drove through a river.
It was a big puddle.
It was not a puddle, it was a river. And I had running through the river.
And how deep was the river? Maybe ankle depth at most?
You're exaggerating.
I was.
It was like a foot.
I could see the rocks.
You couldn't see.
It was not.
When we came down the embankment.
It was an embankment.
Of mud.
An
Oh, by the way,
embankment.
I'm sliding at the moment. Thank you. It was questionable.
Yeah.
And where are we? We don't even know.
We know exactly where we are. It's right there. See?
That doesn't help.
Exactly where we are. That helps us immensely. This is nothing compared to Belize. We have freaking $50,000 four-wheel drive expert machine. When we did it in Belize, we were in a golf cart. Remember that? Golf cart.
Technically speaking, we literally don't know if we're on something or not. That's probably an accurate statement.
It's not a worry.
It's an accurate.
Running. Look at her running. Do I run and catch her? That's the question. The answer is yes, because I can run fast. In the water, getting wet. Shorts getting wet, needing to be dried up. Looking like I peed myself. There it is. Or at least a little one more leaving a mark on this beach. The other one we can't see because it's behind the trees up here, I think. Maybe even behind these trees here. Oh, there's the no. Yeah, the other one we can't see because it's behind that tree. Oh no, wait, I can just see. Oh yeah, I can just see it. I can just see, I can see the T and the and. I can just see the M and J. There it is. Sideways.
Yeah.
And this one is there.